I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the most critical toggles. Open Fortnite's audio settings and enable voice chat and open microphones. Make sure your platform, PC, console, grants Fortnite microphone permission and the correct device is selected. Once done, restart the game and the console or PC to apply driver and permission changes. These steps fix most simple misconfigurations quickly because the game needs both internal and system-level access to capture and transmit audio. Next, dive into diagnostics. Open Fortnite's mic test and speak while watching input levels. Adjust input and output volumes and proximity voice range. On PC, use system sound control to confirm the same device records and that levels move. If levels are wrong or clipped, update audio drivers or console firmware and try a wired headset to rule out Bluetooth latency. Make sure NAT and party privacy won't block voice traffic, since network policies can prevent peer connections. Finally, rejoin or recreate your party and test voice in a live match after all changes. If problems persist, reset Fortnite's audio settings to defaults and then reconfigure. This clears corrupted profiles. Make sure your NAT is open and routers aren't blocking UDP ports used by the game. Troubleshooting tip: if everyone else still can't hear you, try a different wired headset or your phone as a mic to isolate whether the headset is faulty versus account or network issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.